We have got such a good foundation of programs and teachers here at Carver. Out and play. So we do things in the band program, our concert bands, jazz bands, beginner bands. Then we also have orchestra, and then we've also got choir as well. Carver actually started out in the 1950s as a segregated African-American black school. Carver, among many things, had one of the most successful band programs in the area. Traveled to the national level. They went to Enid, Oklahoma, ended up placing top of their class, which ended up qualifying them to go internationally. They traveled to Toronto, Canada, and ended up winning the grand prize. Just recently, we had 2 students. We had a flute player, David Jimenez, and we had a trombone player, both 8th graders, Aiden Garcia, who made the Region 8 Team A band. And out of all these schools that auditioned, there's like almost 300 kids. These 2 guys made top spots. We just also had our Waco ISD District Band auditions, which we had about 14 of those students make it.
I've enjoyed it so much. I went from barely knowing how to play to honors band.
We now have brand new double reeds, so that's bassoons, we have some oboes, we've also got some brand new marching percussion, we got brand new French horns as well. We're blessed to have all the new equipment, new instruments. Right, right, left, right, right. Right, right. We have a beginner concert, Christmas concert that's on the 13th.
We've learned jingle bells. We learned how to play on the marimba, the xylophone. We learned how to play on the pads and stuff.
I'm doing a trio with my 2 friends, America and Brittany. We're going to be playing Jingle Bell Rock.
I'm excited, but at the same time I'm kind of nervous because I've never played in front of a lot of people on stage before.
So looking at the future for GW Carver, we look at not only keeping the culture and the tradition alive that led this band to the World Fair back in the 1960s, but also to kind of just keep that spirit alive. Our numbers are looking really strong, and we're excited to keep the legacy going.